Hello cuties, welcome to Junior KG class. Today we are going to learn the topic from Math subject. Dear students, the topic name is Big and Small. Big and Small. In Tamil we can say பெரியது and சிறியது பெரியது மற்றும் சிறியது. Dear students, our topic name is Big and Small. Come to the topic, ma. Dear students, look at this picture. In this picture we can see more different types of things. First, look here. Here we can see the two flowers. Okay, here this flower is big in size. Look at this flower. This flower is small in size. Big in size, small in size. Now come to the next one. Yes, dear students, in our surrounding we can see more different types of big items and small items. Look at this picture, ma. This is considered a room. Okay, in this picture we can see more different types of objects that are bureau, TV, table, bed, pillow, fan. Like this we can see different types of objects. These objects are, some objects are big in size, some objects are small in size. Big objects and small objects. Then look at this lollipop. Yes, goodies. Do you like this lollipop? Yes, this lollipop is big in size. Look at this lollipop. This lollipop is small in size. This lollipop is big. This lollipop is small. Goodies, can you identify the picture? What is this? Yes, this is a ball. Yes, first one is big in size. The second ball is small in size. Can you repeat the word after me? Big, small. Cuties, look at this animal, the crocodile. Look at the mouth of this animal. This is a big in size. Cuties, now touch your mouth whether it is a big or small. As comparing with this crocodile mouth, our mouth is small. Yes, look at the next one. As spider, the spider is small in size. The spider is small in size. Dear students, look at this animal here. The first one is lion. This lion is big in size. This mouse is small in size. Big lion, small mouse. Dear cuties, look at this fruit. What is that? A strawberry. What is the size of this? This strawberry is small in size. Dear students, look at these vehicles. Here, the first one is bus and second one is car. Comparing these two objects, bus is big in size, car is small in size. Look at this. This apartment is big. Cuties, look at this cake. This cake is small in size. Cuties, look at this. This one is our toy car and the spider. Which one is big? Yes, the toy car is big in size. The spider is small in size. Look at this, dear cuties. Here, which one is big? Yes, very good. Lion is big in size comparing with mouse. The mouse is small in size. Lion is big, the mouse is small. Cuties, can you identify which is a big animal? A squirrel or a horse? Yes, correct. Horse is a big animal. Look at this. Whether it is small or big. Good. Yes, this whale shark is big in size. Look at this. This animal is big or small? As this animal is big. Very good. Come to the next. Look at this. Kangaroo and monkey. Which one is big? Kangaroo is big in size and monkey is small in size. Come to this. Kangaroo is big, monkey is small. Look at this picture. Which one is big? Yes, correct. The first one is big. The second one is small. Cuties, look at this. Here the hibiscus is big in size. The periwinkle is small in size. In this picture, this house is big in size. This bicycle is small in size. Look at this cake. Which cake is big? Yes, very good. The first cake is big in size. The second cake is small in size. Cuties, which topic is going on? Big and small. In this picture, the jeep and the butterfly. Here the butterfly is small and the jeep is big. Dear students, this time for you. Are you ready to do this? Cuties, look at this picture here. You can match, draw a line to big animal with the small animal. Look at the first elephant. Where is a small elephant? Yes, the second one is a small elephant. Next, look at the dog. The first. Where is the dog? Smaller dog. That is a third one. Then look at the bear. Bear is a last. Then find out a small cat. Yes, very good, cuties. Then come to the next one. Which? Look at the ball. Which is a bigger? Yes, correct. The first one is a bigger. Come to the second. Which is smaller? Very good. Green apple is a smaller. Come to the bottle. Which one is smaller size? Yes, very good. Second one is a smaller size. Look at the bicycle. Which one is bigger? Is very good. The red color bicycle is bigger. Very good, students. Come to the next. What kind of animal is this? Big or small? Yes, elephant is big animal. Dear cuties, look at this here. You can tick the small one. Look at the first. Which brinjal is small in size? Yes, very good. The second brinjal is small. Look at the second. Which pumpkin is a small? Yes, the first one is small. Look at the carrot. Which one is small? Yes, very good. The first one is small. Look at the tomato. The second tomato is a smaller one. Yes, come to the next one. Here, which box is small in size? Yes, very good. The second box is small in size. Dear students, look at this picture carefully. Circle only the big dogs. Have you seen that? Which dogs are big in size? Yes, very good. The first, this one is big. Then you can look at that. The next one is also big. After big, then this is also, yeah, big in size. Yes, very good students. Here these four animals are big in size. Come to the next one. Dear cuties, here have you seen the small thing? Here which one is smaller? Is very good. These butterflies are small in size and these flowers are small in size. Now you can look at the animals. Which one is small? Can you find out that? Yes, very good. The spider is very small. Dear students, look at this picture carefully. You can select the bigger and smaller things. The first one is which is bigger? The green color shirt is bigger one. Look at the chocolate. Which one is smaller? Red color chocolate is smaller. Look at the gift box. Which one is smaller? Yes, yellow color gift box is smaller. Look at the ball. Which one is bigger? Very good. This football is bigger. Yes, very good students. Come to the next one. Today we have learnt about the topic big and small. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this class. Thank you so much, ma.